Hello, my friends. It's time for another crisscross card, and look at how awesome this one is. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you more. But first, we have a new shape to introduce, and I love this one. This is called the Grand Nesting Dies because you know what? It really is grand. And when you see it on the card samples, you're really going to fall even more in love. And we have lots of in here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 dies in this set. Perfect for A2 cards or any size. We also have, and I know you're loving these as much as I am, the mini Slimline double background. Look at this one. This one's called Spring because it has little raindrops falling and it has cute little grass and little flowers down at the bottom. Now, the best part about this though is it's interminglable or interchangeable with the other double mini Slimline background dies. So we have the A2 version for 3 sizes, 3 shapes. We have the Slimline, the big ones, the 3 different ones, and we have the mini Slimline that have 2, and they're so cute. I love them. So stay tuned for samples. Now, the one you've all been waiting for, that crisscross die. This one is awesome. It has a big oval in the center, and it comes with optional dies to do those fun swirl pin dots that we all love. Lots of flowers and even dots for the inside of the flowers. And look at how fun this is. Now, it comes like a cross. You can make it a cross. You can also make it just a tripod size 3 if you want. The best part about these, and I'll do this on a couple, is before you put it in your envelope, you're going to spin the inside around and around and around and around. Now, when they open the envelope, watch what's going to happen. They're going to open the envelope and, whoa, it spins. Isn't that fun? I absolutely love it. Now, also speaking of envelopes, we are finally, by popular request, releasing craft envelopes in A2 size. So this is a pack of 24 A2 size craft envelopes. Sometimes we just need extra envelopes, right? Well, now you have them on the website. So let's jump in and look at some more items. Look at how fun this is. You can also put a little fun flower, and on the other side it says keep on growing. Isn't that cute? Here's another one with the inside of those pretty triple flowers. I love how the triple flowers fit perfectly in this oval. Or use one of our oval shapes. This is our inside scallop oval shape. Look at that. Add some stars on there instead. You gotta love that, right? Look how fun that is. Woo, you can spin it. Have fun with that. I love that. So cute. And of course it does stand for display. Ooh, here's a gorgeous one using our beautiful butterflies. Follow your dreams. Follow your dreams. Isn't that, hang on, let me do it again. Whoa, look at that. I love it. Here's some cute more samples. Lots of pretty butterflies on this one. Now, let's look at the mini Slimline. Pair it with the truck to stamp. Look at how cute that is. Rain or shine. We are in this together. Isn't that beautiful? Rain or shine. Cute little grass at the bottom. Ooh. Oh, this is a sneak peek, my friends. Or is it not? Or is it? Maybe it's not. Maybe it's not. Happy Spring Circle die. Oh, I almost thought it was a sneak peek. Oh, that kind of gives you some ideas, huh? Happy Spring. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, make sure you go to our website to look at this one up close and personal, okay? Because that's beautiful. Or you could use our little Peeps lamb. Can you believe it? Look how adorable she is in her cute little dress ready to go. Your kindness flutters in my heart. And that's from the Eyelet Butterfly Sentiment Stamp Set. And our cute little Peeps girl. She's adorable. Or pair it with our fun bunny. Look at how cute that is with our little garden bunny die. So adorable. You're a rain or shine, you're a friend of mine. Open it up. Ooh, a good friend makes days brighter, a heart a little lighter, difficult times a little easier, and life a whole lot happier. Isn't that beautiful? Those are words from Garden Butterfly. Oh, that's so pretty. Love it. Now, remember I told you about that grand nesting? Okay, you guys, are you ready for this? First of all, yes, it can make shaped cards, right? But look at how awesome they are. It is just such a fun shape to get addicted to because you're going to love it. Look at this. Oh, this is a sneak peek. Make today epic. That is a sneak peek. But look at how gorgeous that is. Oh my goodness, look at how gorgeous that is. If you put this in an envelope and you sent this to someone, they're gonna say, what? Look at this card. They're gonna be showing everybody they know the shaped card you made for them. Or you could put it on an A2 card base, right? The choice is yours. It's up to you. Look at that. Wishing you the most beautiful day. It looks like a chalkboard. I love that with the white on the black. Now, club members, you know the deal. You know the rule. Every order, every single item, every single day, 15% off our entire website. Now, there are some of you that are club members that do not get 15% off my website. They're club members, but they don't get 15% off. You know why? They get 20% off because they are gold or diamond club members. Say what? I know. We have our everyday low price. Then we have our flash sale price. The first 24 hours, a brand new item is on our website. Then club members get their club discount, which is normally 15%. But if you're in the gold club or the diamond club, 20% off. Every single day, every single order, every single item. Does that include online classes? Yes, it does. Does that include Totally Tiffany items? Yes, it does. Does that include Spectrum Noir pens? Yes, it does. Does that include cardstock? Yes. Stamps? Yes. Dies? Yes. I know, isn't it amazing? Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on Join the Club. The hardest part's going to be deciding which club to join. The best thing to do is just join all of them. I'll see you there, thestampsoflife.com. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.